I'm so looking forward to add this to Storylife future. And this is a real story about me. Okay guys, imagine that my family is walking too with me. Okay, while I was walking, I saw a cute kitty, and I was about to pet the cat, and well, I pet it. And so I remembered something that I need to go to somewhere, and yeah. What I didn't notice is the cat is still following me. Okay, and yeah, I'm the graveyard. And he says some multiple words to him. Yeah, stuff like that. Okay, so I stand, and okay, okay, I'm still standing up there, and I look at my back, and you know what happened? I got scared. Okay, but I realized it was only okay, and still, I don't actually care. I like being with the cat. And I pet it again. It's so cute. And, okay, I'm going to leave now, and the cat is still following. Like, maybe the cat thinks I'm its master. But my parents doesn't allow me to have a pet, which is not fair to me. And the cat still follows me everywhere. And when I'm home, the cat left me alone now. And that's my story, and I hope you enjoy it.